Hey guys, this is Adam Munds with RCHub Studio Productions, and today we're back in the studio for yet another video here. I know it's been a little while, I apologize for that. I've been super busy with school, work, just about everything, and RCHub is coming back if you guys haven't noticed already. I know it's been a while. So, Mattox Designs, your honest reviews and unboxings. I try to do it every other month, get something new, and it's been a little while, so I figured because of that, and the way everything's fallen, and considering I've been working a lot, I can actually get myself my dream truck. Which you can tell from the title is the Losi 5ive-T 2.0. Let me get this big behemoth of a box up on the studio. I'm going to do it without tearing the box up, but here it is. Box is brilliant frame here. So here's the box. The Losi 5ive-T 2.0. Amazing truck. I've always wanted the 5ive-T since I've seen it in its prototype stage about 9 years ago, 10 years ago, something along those lines. I know it was right after RCHub got on board with sponsoring my event, and I've wanted one since. And I've never really been able to really justify the reason of me getting one, or have the means of really saving up to get one. And I've been saving up for quite some time now at this point. This has probably been in the making since June, I would say, and I'm finally able to get one. So I already haven't owned that many large scale trucks, so it's so neat. The VBXOE that I got in May of 2018 would have been my first 5th scale, and I originally wanted the 5 at that time, but I heard rumblings from Horzion that it's going to get updated, so I kind of put it off, because I want to just wait and get the newest model, which would be this. And that's where we're at now. From 2018 to now, I've been slowly working my way towards this, so I'm super stoked. I can get the plastic off the top here, and take that out of the way. Get the truck out. Let's first focus on what actually comes included with the Losi 5ive-T 2.0 before we actually get too in-depth into the truck. Yo? Okay. Since now that big box is out of the way here, now I can actually sit down. Sorry if that was a bad noise, I know I did bump the mic. So, 2 separate boxes here, kind of curious to see what comes in either of them. I have not actually did a ton of research on this truck. I know that the first gen was an amazing truck. I know how those years they are always improving, making things better. I do know the differences between the first and the second gen, and stuff along those lines as well. And I know that this truck will fit right at home here. So let's go ahead. So in these 2 little boxes you got some tools. Let's go ahead and open up the tool bag here and see what all is included here. So inside the tool bag you got your what looks to be your tuning wrench and like a spark plug wrench. You got your wheel nut adjuster. You got your turnbuckle wrench. Some Allens that you're gonna need. Nice that they included, but honestly probably not going to use any of it. I've got tools that are a little bit nicer than what OTO, or in this case Bind and Drive, offers. So I'll probably stick with that. But if you're starting out, it'd be a great option. Then inside here in this other bag, you get your bind plug, which you're going to need to bind to your Spectrum radio system. I've got my DX6L I'm going to bind to. Then you got a gasket here in case you want to run a pipe or something like that. I'd hold on to that. Owner's manual for the engine. little advertisement here to take your Losi 5T and 5B to the next level with the electric conversion kit, different servos, different parts, everything along those lines. You have your Losi manual. Losi always does a phenomenal job on the manuals, very highly detailed as well. Now, before I even bring the truck up here again, I did want to go over two things. One, this is required. I don't get ready, just don't put it on the truck to begin with. But it's the large scale kill switch. I'm going to run it. If you're going to even look at fifth scale, make sure you get one of these. You just don't want to take a chance. So here is the reaction app. Reaction battery here. You can get an app for it all, and somehow the app is supposed to bring monitoring and everything. It's probably going to have to go through the charger, but that's just the battery I'm going to run. It's what Losi recommends. It's going to do what I need it to do up until the point of I can find an SMC battery to upgrade to. So here it is. Here's the Losi 5T 2.0. This thing is massive, and when I mean it's big, there's no way going around it. It is just a huge truck. So this is the pinnacle of OC, hands down. I don't care what anyone says. So this truck comes with a 32cc gas engine, and it's just so massive. I don't even know how to explain it. Like, the body clips on this thing are even huge, which are a total of 4 body clips and then some screws to hold this on. So I am going to take a break real quick and grab the size I need to go ahead and take the body off so I can show you guys everything underneath this awesome body. Now, since I've removed 4 of these and 4 huge body clips, now the body can finally be removed. Now, this body is different than your typical OC body. It is multi-piece, kind of like the DBXLS, with different sections. The hood is one section, the cab, and the 2 bed sides. Now, the great thing about this truck is you can buy the hood separate, or the hood, the cab, the fenders, everything separately, or you can buy a whole package. It does have a full interior cage, which is amazing because, well, quite frankly, if it didn't, I don't think it really survived as well as what it would with this. So I've heard these bodies actually last a long time. This will be my beat up body. I will get another one and paint it like that scheme, in a way, my typical scheme that I run on everything. So, but for the review process, I will be running stock body. But what everyone's more worried about is the truck itself down here. So here it is. It's got a big Zenora 32cc engine. It is specific to OC, which I've heard really good things about how reliable these engines are. Then, working your way up, you got the huge gas tank here, which they recommend 25:1 25:1 oil ratio, which is what I run, which is what I've already got. So that's great. I'm gonna go ahead and flip the big girl around here. Over here, this contraption here is for your receiver battery, which will go right inside here. It's big enough you can't fit a huge battery pack in there. I don't honestly see the purpose of going with such an extremely big body clip here. I would honestly, I guess it's better than having 2 separate body clips, but anyway, inside there you can fit a huge battery. So the 5ive-T 2.0 has mechanical brakes like you'd expect out of an octane truck. I guess I can kind of sit down. So that's great. The bias right now is 60/40, I think it is, out of the box, so it should handle actually pretty good. That's kind of how I like my electric trucks to be set up, is a little bit more bias in the front, which I would tune by diff fluid. It's got 2 huge servos, and everything is also positioned for straighter driveline angle than the 1.0. Better steering geometry. It's got a front light bar on here. Overall, I know this isn't the best formal unboxing. I am so stoked to have this truck here. Overall, it just makes me so happy that I'm finally able to get one. This is the Losi 5ive-T 2.0. it's going to be a learning curve for sure for me to go ahead and figure out how all this works, how everything fits together, how octane works, or two-stroke, whatever you want to call it, how all that works, because this is all new to me, so I need to learn this. And if I want to work in this industry, I got to learn it. It's as simple as that. I know nitro, I understand how nitro works, I'm just not a big fan of it. So I might not be a fan of two-stroke, but I definitely want to give it a shot. If I don't like it, I'll end up converting it. But I've already got my DBXLE with the Mamba X combo now, and that thing is stupid, so I think this would be a nice truck to have. But anyway, the suspension on this truck feels pretty good. Little oversprung in the front, but I think once you put the extra weight of the fuel inside here, I think it'll be totally okay. Tires actually feel pretty good. I feel like they're going to work pretty well for all-around driving. I don't think they're going to be the best bashing tire or the best racing tire, but I think for the general person, I think they're going to work really good. The rims are gray, so they do look like they're going to accept dye, which will be nice. So if you want to dye them any color darker than gray, that's definitely an option. I've already got so many things planned for this truck, it's unreal. I finally wanted one since even before the public seen it. When the first one came out a long time ago. This is the Losi 5ive-T 2.0. I know it's not the most formal unboxing, but hopefully you guys can understand that. I'm just so stoked. The review will be a lot better than this, but make sure you guys drop me a thumbs up, comment down below what you guys think of the Losi 5ive-T 2.0 and this awesome behemoth of a truck. And let me know if you guys are excited to see it here on the channel. I think it's going to be a great thing to go ahead and get a truck of this size on the channel running up and having the huge noise of the gas running as well. So yeah, make sure you guys drop me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know what you guys think, and until next time, this is Adam Munds with RCHub Studio Productions signing out.